What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy Sticks. I just left the gym. I figured why not do a little POV drive, a little rain POV drive for you guys. Watch for this bump though. I feel like I haven't done one of these in a little while. I feel like I haven't really even done a POV. Oh my god, hasn't even been that long. It's been like what, a few days? I don't know, it feels like a long time when I don't do them a lot. But yeah, let's go ahead and do a little POV drive for you guys, man. I hope you guys are doing good, man. I got a couple things I gotta actually quickly do too. I gotta go to the supermarket. I gotta go buy a couple things because your boy is making some dinner, and you gotta eat after the gym, bro. But if you guys didn't go to the Impact this year, bro, it was actually a really cool event. It was my first time going there, so I highly recommend you guys go next year. Maybe, you know, I'll probably be there. It was Amen's second time, so I'm sure we'll go back next year, and maybe we can meet some of you guys. You know, I saw some of y'all, and you know, say what's up and whatnot. And if you guys didn't check that video out, man, I don't know what you're doing, bro. I spent like 1 billion hours on that thumbnail alone, and it's doing terribly. I'm not gonna lie, like it's doing it bombing right now. It's not the best, but I thought it was a good video. I guess YouTube and you guys say otherwise, but hey, it happens. You know, not every video is gonna do amazing, and I'm okay with that. You know what I'm saying? It's a learning thing, and I don't know why. For some reason, every time I do a car show video, it never does good, but I don't know what it is. I guess you guys don't like watching that. You guys just want to see me driving my beautiful BMW 440i. I mean, I don't mind driving my car, but you know, I thought I'd give you guys a different kind of content as well. I mean, it also involves cars, but I guess you guys did not like it. So we're back on the POVs, but let's go. Let's pull up over here, do a little gotta grab a couple things. You guys ever go to the supermarket and grab like one thing? Because that's exactly what I do, bro. I know a lot of people go in there with like a cart and bring like a full cart. Nope, not me. Look, what is that? Is that a S? What is that, S3? Dang, he got that thing dropped. But yeah, I go to the supermarket, bro. I grab one thing, like cereal, milk, the essentials, bro. Cereal, milk, eggs, bread. That's it, and I'll be out, bro. A lot of people, and then next thing you know, the next day I'm back at it again, grabbing something else I need. I don't know, I never go and pick up everything I need. I just kind of grab what I need in the moment, and then that's what I end up doing. Guys, if you guys do not follow me on Instagram, bro, pull up on me, bro. Pull up to my Instagram. I'm starting to do more like photography stuff with my car too, because I feel like I don't take pictures and stuff like that. So I'm trying to learn how to take better pictures, just so I can just get better at this camera stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's a whole bunch of little tricks that I didn't know until I started doing the photography. So if you guys want to check out what I have done, follow me on Instagram, go check it out. And yes sir. Do you think people will find it weird if I walk in there with a GoPro on my forehead? They probably would, right? I feel like every BMW driver parks in reverse, bro. I just be afraid because I can't really see the front, and then if you have a camera, might as well use it, right? So I always park in reverse. I feel like it's easier for one, and two, it's like the risk of you hitting something in reverse, it's like less. I feel like, I don't know. You guys want to come inside? Let's go in. Damn, this is gonna be weird. Oh well. As you guys see, I have the beautiful 440i. It's looking clean, but it's not. It's just because it's white, and the camera makes it look like it's actually clean when it's not. All right, what did I come in here to get? So I need carnation milk, and I need sweet condensed milk. And I don't know where any of that shit is, bro. Maybe she will know. Let me ask. Excuse me. You know I can find condensed milk?
Aisle 6.
6? Thank you.
You got.
All right, make that faster. Damn, the line for self-checkout is dumb long. It's condensed. Oh, right here. I need the carnation milk and the sweet one. Damn, this shit expensive. What the fuck? Is this the sweet one? Sweet condensed milk. This is what I need. I need this, and then I need the regular one. I think this is literally all I need. Should I grab some cereal? Might as well that I'm in here. What's your favorite cereal? Am I even in the cereal section? Where is the cereal? Let me see. Pasta. Oh, cereal. What they mean by hot cereal? I've always wondered what that was. Because on the top, right here, on this post thingy, they be saying hot cereal. I don't know what hot cereal is. This is my favorite cereal right here, the chocolate frosted flake. So I'm gonna grab one of these, and then one of the regular ones. Where is it? One of these. Boom. Bing bong. I work here, yeah? Come get your discount at ShopRite. Ask for Mr. Sticks, they might give you a discount. Look at the day though, it's mad cloudy out, bro. This cop right there, cloudy day. I was supposed to have a game today. It was supposed to be my final game of the season, but it started raining and then it got postponed to next week. But then I'm going on a trip. I'm going on vacation next week, so I can't even play in the finals. So it sucks. So, cause I really wanted to play. And we're back on the 440,000, y'all. Just like that. All right, you get front seat, bro. Oh man, not again. Service due since 490 miles. Very nice. Let's go ahead and put it in sport for a little bit. Whoa. Keep pulling. Damn, I got a yellow light. I should have went. But yeah, this is what I got. Yeah, I got some chocolate frosted flakes. I got the regular frosted flake, and then I got carnation milk and sweet condensed milk for a little something I'm making. A little something. I don't know what it's called in English. It's called arroz con leche, but I don't know what that is in English. So I think it's rice pudding, maybe. I don't know what it's called, but all right. Thank you. That's a good thing about having all-wheel drive. You really never slide. Like maybe if I come like take off the traction completely off, but it's still like, you know, it's still grippy, like, you know, you still won't slide like that. I know these roads over here aren't the best, but they're right. Oh man, a little bumpy. Bro, you're on a left turning lane, you going straight, you bum. Oh, there's a police right up there. I don't even care. You think he'll know it's me? I hope not. Oh, he went under there, so we go. A little loud, man. You feeling okay for 40,000? Oh man, oh man. Oh, look at that cop right there. Se murió y mi mamá llorando y me hacen así. Y las papas son míos, mío. Y las papas, y las papas son míos. Why is that cop not going? Damn, waiting for me or some shit. Y las papas son míos. ¿Dónde está la costura? A la foca, eso es. All right, you guys. Well, I'm almost home, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.